Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the main node and linking it to your modem. This creates the network's gateway. Once done, wait for the LED to indicate readiness, then connect your laptop or phone via Wi-Fi or Ethernet to the router. Use the router app or web setup immediately. This is faster than guessing settings because initial provisioning writes core network parameters. Make sure DHCP is enabled on the primary node, so connected devices receive IPs automatically. This prevents address conflicts during mesh expansion. Next, open the TP-Link app or web interface to define the SSID, password, and admin credentials. This ensures all nodes share identical settings. Then position secondary nodes roughly 2 to 3 rooms away, avoiding thick concrete and microwaves, and plug them in to boot. Once powered, use the app's add node or scan function to discover and adopt them. The mesh protocol will synchronize settings automatically. Keep an eye on link quality indicators, since placement affects backhaul performance and overall throughput. Finally, update firmware on every node and run a few speed tests in multiple rooms to confirm coverage and handoff. Once done, label each node in the app so future management is quick, and enable a guest network if you want separation. If a node won't join, first reboot modem and primary node to clear caches. If that fails, factory reset the stubborn node and reinitiate the add node sequence. This clears residual pairing data and resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.